Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Pad Mini. Begin by accessing Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, click on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on Realme, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. On it, pick all of those categories available on the top and click on those type of dots at the top left corners to pick multiple files from your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected, located at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select one of those connection ways. If you wish to connect scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Realme. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Realme's camera at the code. You can also just tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers from an Android, and then hit Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!